You know that voice in your head that whispers, you're not strong enough? That quiet doubt that creeps in when life gets tough? Well, I'm here to tell you something that might just change everything. That voice is lying to you. Right now, as you listen to this, there's a reservoir of strength inside you that's deeper and more powerful than you've ever imagined. It's been there all along, waiting patiently for you to discover it. And today, we're going to unlock it together. Think about the last time you faced something that seemed impossible. Maybe it was a difficult conversation you'd been avoiding or a challenge at work that felt overwhelming. Remember how scared you felt? How your mind immediately jumped to all the ways you might fail? But here's the beautiful truth. You're still here. You made it through. That wasn't luck or chance. That was your inner strength showing up even when you didn't recognize it. We live in a world that constantly tells us we need more skills, more confidence, more resources. But what if I told you that everything you need is already within you? What if the very struggles you faced have been quietly building muscles you didn't even know you had? Every single time you've gotten up after falling down, you've proven your resilience. Every moment you've chosen kindness when you felt hurt, you've demonstrated your emotional strength. Every day you've kept going when giving up seemed easier, you've shown your incredible determination. These aren't small things. These are the building blocks of an unshakable inner foundation. But here's where it gets really interesting. Most of us have been conditioned to look outside ourselves for validation and strength. We wait for someone else to tell us we're capable. We search for external proof that we can handle what life throws at us. But the most successful, fulfilled people in the world have learned a secret. They've learned to trust the strength that lives within them. Your inner strength isn't just about pushing through difficult times. It's about recognizing that you have the wisdom to make good decisions even when the path isn't clear. It's about knowing that your intuition is a powerful guide even when others doubt your choices. It's about understanding that your unique perspective and experiences have given you tools that no one else possesses. I want you to think about someone you admire, someone who seems to navigate life with grace and confidence. What you're seeing isn't superhuman ability. What you're witnessing is someone who has learned to access and trust their inner strength. They've stopped waiting for permission to be powerful. They've stopped looking for external validation to feel worthy. They've simply decided to believe in what they already possess. The beautiful thing about inner strength is that it grows stronger with use. Every time you choose courage over comfort, every time you speak your truth instead of staying silent, every time you take action despite your fears, you're not just solving that immediate problem. You're building evidence for yourself that you are far more capable than you ever imagined. So here's what I want you to do. Start paying attention to your wins, no matter how small they seem. Notice when you handle stress better than you expected. Celebrate when you find solutions to problems that once seemed impossible. Acknowledge when you show up for others, even when you're struggling yourself. These moments aren't accidents. They're glimpses of your true power. Your inner strength isn't something you need to develop from scratch. It's something you need to recognize, honor, and trust. It's been carrying you through every challenge, every setback, every moment of doubt. It's time to stop underestimating what you're truly capable of. The world needs what you have to offer. Your unique combination of experiences, insights, and strength is irreplaceable. Stop waiting for the perfect moment or the perfect circumstances. Your inner strength is ready right now. The question isn't whether you have what it takes. The question is, are you ready to believe it?